demand for compensation. What Manmohan Singh rejected, Narendra Modi would have accepted. There is no need to tell how much love the central government has for Bihar. The condition of Bihar has deteriorated since the rule of Congress, not today. Nitish Kumar was also in the center. Lalu Yadav was also a central minister. But no one got success like a rolling ball. It has come from Congress to BJP and to be humiliated politically. It sometimes goes from Congress to BJP and from BJP to Congress. Without prolonging this puzzle, let me tell you that the talk is about giving a special state status to Bihar. Neither Congress nor BJP gave a special state status to Bihar, but when this issue comes up, politicians twist it in their own way and praise someone and blame someone. But what does Bihar get? Now Bihar will probably get the status of a special state only when the country's prime minister is from Bihar. Only then will a force being to bring Bihar in the direction of development that is blowing in all the states of the country. JP's movement changed Bihar so much that now only a similar revolutionary and historical step can change Bihar. Today, Janata Dal United is with Prime Minister Modi so they can see shining roads, infrastructure, but they are not able to see the condition of Bihar's generation. How much progress has been made on the path of progress from one generation to the other? There will be no result because change is not an ordinary thing. In change, one has to recreate one's own existence. For change, only dedication is just not enough, but self-confidence has to be made steady. Change is not so easy. This is the reason that those who unrooted Narendra Modi from power are standing with Narendra Modi today. Janata Dal United K.C. Tyagi is blaming Manmohan Singh, but Narendra Modi is also not free from this responsibility. Will PM Modi will be saved from this responsibility just by giving big package? This is not so. K.C. Tyagi blamed Manmohan Singh had said that a delegation of JDU had met him in connection with granting a special status, but then he refused to grant a special status to Bihar. Rangarajan committee report said that the provision of a special status has been rejected. Then JDU presented its side in front of Finance Commission and they also rejected it. The fault was not of JDU, but there was some flaw in the intentions of those people. Has PM Modi risen above this flaw? Because K.C. Tyagi said about PM Modi that even though Bihar did not get the status of a special state, but the central government has done a lot to compensate for it by giving money in the budget. Lakhs of crores of rupees have been given. This is welcome. So now does K.C. Tyagi want to say that Bihar does not need a special state status because a lot has been done to compensate for it? K.C. Tyagi has also said that a lot of work is being done to central to flow of the river and to build a network of airports. The airport will benefit those people of Bihar who are in a position to use it. What is the percentage difference between the use of these in Bihar and the non-use of these in Bihar? This is also an issue. The matter will be strong when capitalists from abroad establish industries in Bihar through this world-class airport and Bihar, albeit a little slowly.